God, with the white, it really looks like I'm in front of a green screen. I'm not. It's just a yellow light in front. Okay. So last, we've got unit review, vocab review. I didn't do the one from 13. I posted the slideshow, but I didn't do a video lecture because really it was just a lot of vocab. And there wasn't that much to review. But I want to go through a couple of these because I think they'll be worth it. We're reviewing everything from Unit 1 to 4, specifically looking at 4, but it's cumulative. So we would start with some discussion and some questions that are good to keep in mind and to ask. The prompt from the last chapter we could bring back up. There are 3 autobiographies, little videos that I'll show, that I won't show, but I'll include in the slideshow. One is Emma, and she's going to be talking about her family. And just fill in the blanks or take note of what the questions are. And, as you've noticed, these are right from the worksheets. So this will be on the worksheet in that folder on Blackboard. So here's the video. And watch. Her name isn't really Emma. She's playing a role. I don't know why they just didn't have her say it. Well, it's probably not her real information anyways. Anyway, so there's the answers. Then the second one is Sarah. Now, there, you'll notice that the text is kind of grouped in the pieces of the story, little broken up into kind of chapters. I know it makes the text a little bit smaller, but it's a little easier to keep track of the story of first chunk, second chunk, third chunk. There's the story itself, and then Billy. Tyrone tells a story as if he was Billy. So, and there's the answers. And then I didn't do each individual vocab. I will. There's no slideshow for this one with GIFs, so we're just going to go with this, and this is how the book groups them. The gender signs, boy and girl. And then we go through the immediate family members. And I think there's 5 or 6 in this little set of vocab. Then a category sign, and it's just family. Signs related to starting a family, pregnant, those kind of things. Stages of a relationship from meeting, dating, married, divorce, that kind of thing. Plans for the future, desire what you want. Negative responses, no, not, none. The ranking, we've talked about setting things up like that. Plural pronouns. 2 of you, 3, we 2. Notice how it's like pointing at this person, pointing at me, right? So that's it. You 2, we 2. You can also do it with 3, we 3, or you 3. Technically, you can go up to 9, but 1 through 5 is the most useful. Kind of relationship, are you close? You not close? So there are more in these, but just watch them. Comments on people. Then we'll go extended family, not the nuclear family, but extended grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins. Signs related to aging, young, old, stuff like that. Different family variations. Stepfather. I tend to see second as opposed to this. So, in-laws, sexual orientation, changes in relationship, like break up, go on separate ways. Then we go back over the vocab that was new for David's keys. Occasions, wedding, birthday, graduation, those kind of things. And then more comments. And then the WH question signs. How old? What? How? Stuff like that. And then there's the review of all the videos from this unit. So that is 4. The summation of 4. Now, 5 is going to be, again, another series of fast chapters that will move quickly because we're just building on the foundation we've already done. So keep practicing and you'll be fine. Oh, I separated it. This is the unit review with the questions and stuff like that, and then the vocab. That would probably be easier.